Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use my image converter for the Master System and the Game Gear. So I'll start off with Windows first. So first off, you need to have an image which is set out for the Master System or the Game Gear. So I will open up an image first in LibreSprite. So this image here uses a palette for the Master System. When you're designing graphics for the Master System, if you select the options here, this is the one, and then in here there's the available color palette for the Master System, which is already configured for you. So you select that and then load, and click out of there. Then all of these colors here, the red, green and blue values, are already set up for you correctly to what they should be on the Master System palette. You can only have 16 colors in any image that you decide to use though. The first color should always be the background color for the whole tiles. And then always keep aside the top row for just palettes only after you've put the 16 colors in that you intend to use. If you show the grid, that will give you a good indication of where you should put things. And then put the Y offset to 1. Then it will show you then where all the tiles are set out, and it will ignore the top row. Then you can see where your colours should go. And then after your colours, make sure this is filled with a background colour. Then once you've got your image that you want to convert, copy that image into the same location as the exe file. Now to convert it, copy the path to where it's installed, open the terminal, then type in cd for current directory and then paste in the directory. Now if you're not sure what to put in, if you forget, then just type tac h and then it will give you some info on what you need. So first off, you put in the name of the exe, then the image, then which console it is that you wish to convert the image to. So we'll start off with the Sega Master System font set 1. Then put in the tile widths and the tile heights, and then you put in how many of them there are and press return. And if everything's fine, it should create a temporary folder, and then in that temporary folder navigate to that, and there you go. Now if you go in there, wait there, have I put the right path in? Where is it saved at? Okay, I know where it's saved at. It saved it in this location here. Obviously you won't have this, so if you open that with Notepad, then that will give you the master system palette there, and then a list of tile data there for you to copy into your own program. And then to build for the Game Gear, it's exactly the same. So for the Game Gear, we would do TAC-GG for the Game Gear, then we'll choose font 128, which is exactly the same size. Now this time we will go to the correct one. And if all goes well, then if you check that out with Notepad, that will create the 12-bit color palettes for the Game Gear and the tiles for the Game Gear as well. So that's all I wanted to show on this one. I'll show you a quick demo program using some tiles for the Game Gear. So this is showing off the color palette range as well on the Game Gear. So you've got 16 red, green and blue. I'll cover this in a Game Gear specific video. So now that I've covered the Windows version, I will now show you how to use it in Linux. Right, so to build it in Linux, it's exactly the same. So navigate to where you've installed it, then open a terminal window and then copy the location and paste it in just like I did just now. And then if that all goes well, there we go. Then if you open that, that will give you exactly the same as the Windows version. So there's only two colors in that image, and that is the tile data there for the one tile. So that is it for this quick video. I'll leave the links for the program in the description to the video, and I shall catch you in the next video.